Hello, I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use room in Revit. And at the end of this video, you will be able to learn how to make your presentation like this, to make your room colored and with labels, and also showing the square meter of the rooms, so that if you don't want to indicate dimension, this is another way to present the size of your rooms to your clients in a more professional way. And without wasting your time, let's get started. The first thing I will do is to hide all this one. Let me use the shortcut EH to hide them. Let me hide them, hide all of them now. And I will also need to duplicate this plan so that it will be for presentation alone. So I'm going to duplicate this view, right click on the floor plan, duplicate view with detailing, duplicate with detailing, and click OK. And I'm going to rename it as ground floor plan presentation. This is purely for presentation, so that what we will be seeing here are for presentation purposes only. Let me place this door very well. All right. Okay. This staircase need to be reoriented. Anyway, don't bother about the staircase for now, so that we don't waste our time. Let me hide this human being. Okay, then I see that this undo, this is not supposed to show inside the room, so I'm going to use region to cover it. I'll use region. The shortcut I use for region is REG, and I've already shown you how to create your shortcut. So I'm going to pick a line, and the line I will use is invisible, so that the line will not be visible. And the filling I will use is solid black. Okay, so I'm going to cover this part so that it will not be seen on the floor plan. Okay, I need to edit this to be white. Let me edit it to be white and click OK. All right, you can see it has hidden all those stuffs that we don't want to see inside the building. All right, then the next thing I will do is to add my rooms. So instead of all these labeling, I'm going to remove all of them, because I'll be using a room now. So what I will do is go to architecture tab and select room. Okay, so when you select room, just simply place it and drop it. Okay, this one is not yet defined. Let me place that of the living room, and this is supposed to be for toilets. This is for toilets. Okay, all right, so I'm going to name them, and this parlor is extending to, this living room is extending to lobby. So to define lobby, I'm going to use a room boundary to define laundry. So if I select room boundary, and I'm going to draw a line from one wall to the second wall so that the lobby will be defined. Now if you select this one now, you see that the living room is now defined. Okay, all right. Then the next thing we'll do is to name them accordingly. But before then, let's edit this room. I'm going to edit it, and we don't want it to show room number. Sometimes you may want to show the room area. But if you want to show the room area, you can check this. But for now, let's leave it. Okay, let's check this. Let's check that, and you can apply. Let's apply for now. Okay, now you see it's given in square feet, but I want it to give in square meters. So to give in square meter, you need to go to manage, and you select project unit, or simply SU. PU. It's not going. Okay, let me look for the icon. Okay, project unit, UN. All right, the shortcut for project unit is UN, and the area we are going to set it to square meters. Okay, all right, that is what we need. The slope is already in the green. Okay, so let's okay, now you can see that it's in square. This one is in square. Okay, I need to match them. Tag, room tag. Let me define their name. Room tag with area. Let's see. All this one are supposed to follow suit, and room tag with area. All right. Okay, that is that. Then you may want to change the text. Let's say I want to edit the text. I click on edit, and work on the text later. For now, okay, let's see the color that we want to display here. The color that wants to show, we want it to show color. Let's use a shaded. Okay, for now it's not displaying color. So for it to display color, you need to go to annotate and bring color fill legend and drop it somewhere here, and space type, use rooms, and under color scheme use name and click OK. Okay, all right, now you can see the colors now. So if we rename them now, you are going to see different colors. So here I'm going to name it as main lounge. Main lounge, let this one be capital L. Okay, you can see it has given it a different color. And let's select all instances in the entire project, and we will edit it. We don't want to show room number, and click OK. All right, then for this one, this is bedroom, so I'm going to name it as bedroom. Okay, then this is toilet, and this is bedroom as well. This bedroom. Okay, all right, now you see this one. I can edit it, edit the text size. The text size, you can use something. Let's say I want to use stylus IBT, stylus BT. Okay, and the color, unless I want to use brown. Let me use brown and click OK. Click OK again. What of the text size? The text size, let's use 3 mm and click OK. Okay, you can see the sizes have changed, but for these rooms we will edit family. Let's see, let's edit family and see. Okay, so if I select this, I will be able to edit it, and the font I want to use is stylus, STIL, stylus BT, and click OK. Click OK again, and for this one the same thing. I will still use stylus BT, ST stylus BT. Okay, okay, let me change the unit to millimeters so that we can understand what we are dealing with at a glance, and click OK. All right, you can see these two things are colliding with each other, and I will have to duplicate it. Revit Tutorial, and click OK. Then for this, I don't want to show the room number, so I'm going to remove everything about the room number, and I also don't want to show volume, so I'm going to remove volume, and that is why I have to duplicate it so that it doesn't affect other types. I can always go back to other types if I want. Okay, then click OK. Let's see, let's load it into project and see. Let's override every one. Okay, you can see the font has changed. What if you want to give it a color? If you want to give it a color, you click on edit family and you select this and you edit. The color I want to use is blue. I want to use blue and go to blue, dark blue. Okay, and click OK. Click OK again, and here we go. That's our dark blue. Okay, this one I may want to use orange. Let me use orange here and click OK. Click OK again and load it into project. Override the existing one. Okay, that is that. All right. Okay, this one is showing up. Let's try and take it to the back. Let's send it to the back and see. It's still covering it. Let's send it to the back. Send it backward. Okay, still covering it. We will look for a solution to that. Let me make this one a little bit darker so that the color will be conspicuous. Let's make it darker and click OK twice. Then load it into projects and override the existing one. Okay, it is better now. Okay, now this one that is showing, we can make it the same color as what we see. Let's make it the same color, the similar color to what we have there, so that it blends with it. Okay, you can take your time to make sure the color is the same so that it doesn't show. All right. Okay, so the next thing we need this lobby. We'll go to architecture, room, and place it here. Then we are going to name this as lobby, and that is it. Okay, so what about this? Let's edit it. The name should be, let's just leave it as legend. Let's leave it as legend. Now here you can change the color. If you don't like the color, you can change the color here. You can modify it. For instance, if the color is too dark and you want to change it, here you can alter it. Okay, but I'm okay with it. For instance, if I want to alter this one now, I can simply move it around. Then you can do something like this and click apply. Click OK. Click OK again. You can see the color have changed. All right, and the legend have also changed. Okay, so that is how you can use room in Revit, and I hope you have gained something from this video. If you do, make sure you give me a testimonial, a video testimonial. Okay, it's blending small now. All right, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.